Stop stressing about cat grooming. Let's make it fun and easy peasy. First up, the magic of baby wipes. Yeah, you heard that right. They're perfect for quick cleanups between baths. Just make sure they're unscented and hypoallergenic. Next, let's talk about brushing. Regular brushing helps reduce shedding and hairballs. Use a slicker brush for long-haired cats and a bristle brush for short-haired ones. Your cat might even start to enjoy it. Now, nail trimming. Don't freak out. Use cat-specific clippers and trim just the tips. Reward your kitty with treats and cuddles after. And here's a pro tip: play with your cat before grooming to tire them out. A tired cat is a calm cat. Remember, patience is key. Your furball deserves the best. Happy grooming.